Oh, you know, a lot of you have little ones home for spring break. What to do, what to do. How about whipping up a few of these little cutie pies right here? LaKenya Kohlenberg from Sweet Indulgence Cakes and Desserts stops by our studio this morning. Welcome. Good to see you.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
I always love it when you come on because you give us some really easy to follow, you know, recipes and advice that we can do with the kids. This is so adorable. It's just a basic cupcake that you don't have to make. You can buy, right?
You can buy it, of course.
But look how you decorated that. That screams spring.
So easy. Oh, yes. Can't wait for spring.
Now, what about this little piece right in here? It's something that you have on the cupcake, too. You say those are edible.
Those are edible images, and you can get them on Etsy at It's Edible, and they would create all these beautiful images for you.
And is that who created the one here with me and Susan on it?
Oh, yes, she did an awesome job.
Oh my gosh, and look at the little thank you cake over there. What I love is that you can also like customize and things like that. But you can do that for people too. If they don't want to, you know, go to Etsy, you can create something for them?
Of course, of course. And it's just simple things. You can do clip arts and have them printed on edible paper. So you can definitely customize however you want, as long as you stay within copyright laws.
Okay, all right, good advice. Okay, so how do we make a cute little flower cupcake?
Very easy. I'll show you right here.
What kind of tip is that? It's just a round?
Just a round tip, and you just want to make 5 little petals. You're just going to bring them in.
So you just start from the outside and work your way in, huh?
Oh, yeah.
How cute is that?
I know. I love it. And the kids love it. You can put sprinkles on the outside of it. And it's I love the happy face because you can say, you know, have a great day. Happy spring.
Happy spring. I love that. It's super cute. And you also use some of those little edibles here to maybe even, you know, I mean, just take a very simple.
Exactly. Just a simple sugar cookie with a little frosting and just add them on there.
Oh my goodness. I just think that is too adorable. This is a fun idea that you've set up for us here. The kids can make these little fruit. You can make them healthy or sinful.
Exactly. Right. All depends on the mood.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, how did you do yours?
Very simple. I make one with the fruit. First, I start with fruit. You have a wooden skewer, and you just slide it in there. Make sure if you're using donut holes, they're frozen before you use it, because if you stick your skewer in there, it will fall apart. So definitely freeze them for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and then they just slide right in.
Hey, that's good advice.
Oh, yeah.
Now, what's fun about this one is that you don't have to really make anything. You can buy your fruit already all cut up like you did here.
Yeah, try one. It's fun.
Okay, and add the donut holes as you go, and the kids can make these. What a great little fun little party favor, because look what you did here. How cute is that?
Exactly. With another image, you can use images everywhere, not just on cakes. They can be used on all desserts.
But I like it how you put it in this little plastic little to-go thing, so you can hand these out at parties and whatnot.
And then I always use the side here. You can always stick them inside styrofoam, too, to stand them up if you like.
See, that's what I love about you, LaKenya.
That's right.
You're the creative soul. And matter of fact, I met LaKenya almost a year ago now.
Almost a year ago.
She won a pastry chef, a student pastry chef.
No, professional.
Oh, I apologize.
That's okay.
There were 2 categories.
That's right.
The professional one, because she is so amazingly creative, and this is pretty obvious right here. All right, so thank you so much, LaKenya. And I know LaKenya also shared with us, there's a really yummy fruit dip
that you can use, right.
And she put the recipe for that up on our website, sonoranliving.com. And of course, you can learn more about LaKenya and Sweet Indulgence Cakes and Desserts online as well. All right, happy spring break.
Happy spring break.
Thank you.
Oh.